Stop scrolling. This side hustle can make you hundreds, even thousands, every single month. And you only need $1 to get started. That's right, no expensive software, no paid ads, and no inventory. Just $1, a little time, and this video. This video is going to show you exactly how to start a beginner-friendly dropshipping business using Shopify and AutoDS without any experience and without blowing money on tools or ads. We're talking about building a real income stream from your phone or laptop for less than the price of a cup of coffee. Let's get straight into it. First, what is dropshipping? Just in case you're new. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell physical products online without ever touching them. A customer places an order on your website, your supplier ships the product directly to the customer, and you keep the profit. It's lean, it's scalable, and it's 100% legit when done right. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is picking a winning product. This is where everything starts, and this is where most people overcomplicate things. I'm going to make it easy. Open TikTok. In the search bar, type TikTok made me buy it. Then filter the results to show posts from this month. Watch at least 15 to 20 videos and take note of what's trending. Look for items that are visually satisfying, solve a small problem, or are super easy to demonstrate in a short clip. Once you've got a few ideas, head over to AliExpress or use the product research tool inside AutoDS. Search for each item and check for 300 plus orders, a rating of 4.5 stars or higher, and ideally faster shipping options to the United States. Now here's where AutoDS saves you serious time. Inside the dashboard, you can see supplier data, profit potential, and shipping speeds all in one place. You can even sort by US warehouses for faster delivery. This is going to give you a huge edge in customer satisfaction and lower refund rates. Make sure the product is selling on AliExpress for around $5 to $10. That gives you enough room to market up to $25 to $35, which is right in the sweet spot for impulse buys on social media. Once you've locked in your product, we move to step 2, branding your store. Head over to namelix.com. It's free, and it uses AI to generate short, brandable business names. Type in your niche, like fitness or home gadgets, and let it do the work. Once you pick a name you like, go to zarla.com to generate a logo completely free. You'll get a high-quality, downloadable logo you can customize in under 5 minutes. Now it's time to build your store. This is step 3, and this is where Shopify comes in. Shopify is offering a 3-day free trial, followed by a $1 per month plan for the first 3 months. That's right, you can launch your store for just $1. No coding, no design skills required. Go to shopify.com, sign up, and follow the prompts to set up your store name, URL, and basic details. Next, install the AutoDS app from the Shopify App Store. This is your automation tool. AutoDS will handle importing products, tracking inventory, syncing pricing, and even automatically fulfilling orders if you want it to. Inside AutoDS, search for the product you found earlier. Click Import to Store, customize the product title, description, and pricing, and then publish it live to your Shopify site. That's it. You've got a product ready to sell. Here's a quick tip for your product description. Focus on benefits, not just features. Don't say, adjustable plastic hula hoop. Say, burn calories and tone your waist from home in just 10 minutes a day with our smart weighted hoop. That's what sells. Set your price around $29.99. And don't forget to add $6.99 for shipping. This adds to your profit and makes your store look more professional. You can always offer free shipping as a promotion later. Now we move to step 4, how to market your product without spending a single dollar on ads. This is where TikTok becomes your best friend. Create a brand account using your logo as the profile picture and your store name as the handle. Post 2 to 3 videos per day showing the product in action. If you don't have the product yet, use royalty-free footage or screen recordings from AliExpress or your AutoDS product page. Add voiceovers or captions, use trending sounds, and keep it short, under 15 seconds. Use curiosity hooks like, I found this weird gadget, and it actually works. Or, this changed my home workouts forever. Then direct viewers to click the link in your bio. That's your Shopify store link. And yes, this works. You don't need followers. TikTok's algorithm pushes your content if it's engaging. I've seen brand new accounts get 10,000 plus views overnight just by posting consistently and using trends. Now let's move to step 5, fulfilling orders. When a customer places an order on your store, Shopify notifies you immediately. If you've enabled auto order fulfillment in AutoDS, it will automatically forward the order to your supplier, pay for the item using your linked payment method, and even update the tracking number for your customer, all hands-free. If you want to do it manually at first, that's fine too. Just click Orders inside AutoDS, review the customer's details, and hit Fulfill. It's that simple. Once the supplier ships the product, AutoDS will automatically update the order status and send tracking info to your customer. Your only job, keep creating content and checking your Stripe or PayPal balance. Let's talk briefly about the legal side. You do not need to form an LLC to start. Don't let that stop you. You can operate as a sole proprietor in the beginning. When you're consistently making money, $500 to $1,000 per month, then yes, you should consider forming an LLC and opening a business bank account. But right now, focus on getting those first sales. Here's a quick recap. You learned how to find a winning product, build a Shopify store for $1, automate it with AutoDS, drive traffic for free using TikTok, and fulfill orders without touching inventory. All this can be done today, from your laptop or your phone. Now here's what you do next. If you got value from this video, hit that like button. Share it with a friend who's been talking about starting a side hustle. And don't forget to subscribe, because I drop new step-by-step business videos every single week. Check the links in the description below. I've included the exact tools I mentioned, including the Shopify $1 deal and AutoDS trial, so you can start immediately. And if you're someone who prefers listening over watching, check out the podcast section right here on this channel. I break down everything there too, so you can learn while driving, walking, or even working out. Thanks for watching. Now go build something real. You've got this.